A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start lecture 2 of chapter 5 complex number of class 11th. So in previous class lecture 1 I have discussed iota power of I related to chapter 5th complex number. Now in this lecture or today's lecture I will discuss the new topic, that is complex number. So now come to the complex number. Now topic is complex number. So what is complex number? See, for any two real number x and y, the complex number is denoted by small z and defined by the combination of real and imaginary number. So such that z is equal to x plus iy for all small x y belongs to real. Now this x is known as real part, real part, and this iy is known as imaginary part. And this z is known as complex number, and I, you know, I is the iota power. So for any two real number, the complex number is denoted by small z and defined by the combination of real and imaginary number. It means we can say the complex number is a combination of two part or two number. One is real, second is imaginary. So this is the exact definition of complex number. Now I will come to the next definition. The next definition is real and imaginary part of complex number. C. Second heading is real and imaginary part of complex number. So let small z be the complex number be the complex number such that small z is equal to, or we can write such that small z is equal to x plus iy for all small x y belongs to real. Then the real part and imaginary part of complex number is denoted by real part of z and imaginary part of z. Respectively. And defined by the expression or defined by the term or the expression for complex number z such that z is equal to x plus iy. Z is equal to x plus iy. This is the real part of this is imaginary part of z that is imaginary part of z is equal to y, and this is real part of z that is real part of z is equal to x. So real part of z is x and imaginary part of z is y. This is the real and imaginary part. C. Now some important points related to real and imaginary parts. Some important points for a complex number z such that z is equal to x plus iy for all small x comma y belongs to real. First point, when z is purely real, purely real number, purely real number, then z is equal to, or we can write imaginary part, means imaginary part of number or complex number, that will be equal to 0. So we can write z is equal to x. Sorry. Now when z is purely imaginary number, in case then real part, means real part of z will be equal to 0. Now we can write z is equal to iy. See, so this is the condition for purely real and purely imaginary. See, now I will come to the next topic, equality of complex number. New heading is equality of complex number. Equality of complex number. Let Z1 and Z2 be any two complex numbers such that Z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1 for all x1 comma y1 belongs to R, and Z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2 for all x2 comma y2 belongs to R. The complex number Z1 and Z2 are said to be equal. Z1 and Z2 are said to be equal when if their corresponding real and imaginary part are equal. Their real and imaginary part are equal. So, such that we can write x1 is equal to x2 and y1 is equal to y2. So, see, z1 is equal to z2 and z1 value is x1 plus I times y1 is equal to x2 plus I times y2. These complex numbers are equal. So, their corresponding real and imaginary parts are equal. See, the real part is xx and imaginary part is x1 x2 and imaginary part is y1 y2. So, this implies we can write x1 is equal to x2 and y1 is equal to y2. This is the condition for two complex numbers are said to be equal. Now come to the next definition. The next definition is conjugate of a complex number. Now see, I will discuss about conjugate of complex number. heading is conjugate of complex number. Conjugate of complex number. Now see. So let Z be a complex number such that Z is equal to X plus IY for all X comma Y belongs to real. Then the conjugate of complex number Z is denoted by Z bar, and defined by the expression Z bar is equal to X minus IY for all small x, y belongs to real. This is the conjugate of complex number. Means in conjugate of complex number, you will see real number is the real number itself. Only imaginary sign is changing. This is the imaginary sign. So imaginary sign, after changing the imaginary sign of any complex number, you will get conjugate of complex number. See, suppose you have to find out suppose you have a given 3 plus 4i, this is complex, for all 3 comma 4 belongs to real, then Z bar we can write 3 minus 4i. Its conjugate is Z bar is equal to 3 minus 4i. Now come to the next heading, or the next heading is modulus of complex number. Now see, modulus of complex number. modulus of complex number. Heading is modulus of complex number. So for any complex number z such that z is equal to x plus iy, for all x comma y belongs to real, the modulus of complex number is denoted by mod of z, and defined by the expression mod of z is equal to root over x square plus y square. This is the modulus of complex number. This is the modulus of complex number. See, suppose I have taken an example. Let z is equal to 3 plus 4i. This is in complex form. Now the modulus of complex number z, that is small z, is equal to three square plus 4 square, and now its result will be 9 plus 16. Result is root over 25. This implies 5. So modulus of z, that will be equal to 5. This is the modulus. See, this is the definition of modulus of complex number. So again, see, for any complex number z such that z is equal to x plus iy. Now the modulus of complex number is denoted by mod of z and defined by the expression mod of z is equal to root over x square plus y square. So in this expression, what is x comma y? That is belongs to real. So any complex number given, that is 3 plus 4i, so modulus will be 9 plus 16 in square root. Result you will get 5. Now this is completed.